Hey there, and welcome to our homeschooling journey. Today I'll be reviewing Playing Preschool Year 1. We first used this curriculum with our son when he was 3.5 years old and loved it so much that we brought it back for our daughter at 2.5 years old. I do want to begin by saying we are not affiliated with Playing Preschool in any way. I want to offer you my honest opinion to help you decide if it's worth investing in. Let's start with an overview of the curriculum. Susie Allison from Busy Toddler designed this curriculum for toddlers and preschoolers, typically around ages 2.5 to 5. It includes two main subjects, early literacy and math, along with fun exposure to science, social studies, arts, and motor skills through playful learning. The curriculum is around $39 for the digital download of Year 1 and can be purchased online through the Busy Toddler website. One of the strengths of this curriculum is how flexible and low prep it is. I love how it uses materials we mostly already have at home and how it fits into our daily rhythm with ease. Another strength is the emphasis on learning through play. This has been really helpful for keeping our little ones engaged and excited about doing school without feeling so overwhelmed or pressured. I also appreciate how the curriculum builds gradually and doesn't assume prior academic knowledge. This has made homeschooling more confidence building, especially as a third-time preschool mom. There are a few weaknesses to this curriculum. One of those weaknesses is the lack of visual aids or printables included. I found that I had to create or find my own visuals for some lessons. Another weakness is that it can feel a little bit repetitive at times. This was challenging because some activities felt too similar week to week for my older preschooler. Lastly, it's all digital and requires printing if you prefer a physical copy. This was a problem because we had to stay organized and print ahead of time or reference from a screen, which can be a little hard, especially with little ones running around. Overall, I believe this curriculum is a fantastic, affordable, and gentle introduction to structured learning at home. I think it's a great choice for parents who want to do preschool at home without a lot of pressure or complicated material. However, if you're looking for a more academic, workbook style program or something with assessments and worksheets, then this may not be the best choice for you. Thank you for watching my review of Playing Preschool Year 1. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you've used this curriculum, I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. See you next time.